In this video, we're going to explore the new feature released in version 14 of MPanel Production to detect edge bends. Now, to demonstrate this, I've got 3 copies of basic boat geometry. I'm going to use the Auto Mesh tool, and I've got the mesh number of points also set to automatic based on an edge tolerance of 0.5 millimeter. So it will basically adjust the mesh density to ensure that we have less than 0.5 millimeter between the edge and the mesh. So we'll run the first one, and we can see we've got varying mesh densities, but importantly we can see we have a bend on this side and this side which has been missed. So the mesh has not picked up that corner detail, and sometimes this can be hard to actually locate, so it's worthwhile knowing this tool exists. I'm going to turn on the Detect Edge Bends feature. The default value for the bend angle is 30 degrees, and we can adjust this to suit the particular project. So with this turned on now, I know there's a bend in one of these edges. I can run the tool again, and I see 0 bends detected. So if we zoom in, we'll see the same problem. This corner has been missed. Now I know in this case this bend is 25 degrees, so I might set it to 20 degrees. I'll set it to exactly 25, which is exactly this angle, just to demonstrate that it works on precise angles. So we'll select everything again, run the tool, and immediately we can see the bend has been picked up, and we get a message at the bottom to tell us that 2 bends have been detected. So we know we don't need to zoom in and try to find missing mesh edges. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact support@mpanel.com.